Madam Governor, Mr. President, Madam Speaker, members of the 80th Legislative Assembly, honored guests, and fellow Oregonians. Thank you for the unique honor of addressing this assembly. In 1859, the voters approved the Oregon Constitution that created our state government and its three branches. Each of those branches has separate roles, and each checks and balances the powers of the others. But all three branches share a responsibility constitutionally prescribed to establish justice, maintain order, and perpetuate liberty. Every day, Oregonians ask their elected representatives to enact laws providing for justice, accountability, and freedom. Every day, Oregonians rely on the executive branch to defend and enforce those laws. And every day, Oregonians come to the courts seeking the benefit of those laws and executive actions. They want judges and juries to hold those who break the law, cause harm, or fail to meet their family or business obligations accountable for their actions. Not all will prevail. There will be opposing views of the laws and of the facts, and the rights of defendants in our civil and criminal proceedings are entitled to protection. But no matter what the courts decide, when judges and staff listen impartially and act as the Constitution directs, completely and without delay, then they also create trust and confidence in our government as a whole. And the trust and confidence that our courts can and do instill is no small thing. That trust and confidence that our courts, your courts, instill is essential to our democracy, and we cannot take it for granted. So today, on behalf of the judicial branch of our government, I renew our pledge to provide Oregonians with access to our courts, to listen with attention to the problems they present, and to demonstrate to the best of our ability that our system is fair and impartial. And I also pledge anew to work in partnership with the other two branches to address the critical challenges that face our state. Those who are unhoused, who have mental illnesses, who have become addicted, or who have been neglected, abused, harmed, or assaulted are in our courts every day. There is much that the judicial branch can do in partnership with the other two branches to innovatively address their problems and their causes and effects. 40 years ago, Governor Atiyeh appointed a task force to develop statutes which the legislature enacted that created a unified court system for Oregon. Governing always has been a group effort, and that task force included Redmond Mayor and former state representative Sam Johnson, the father of Senator Betsy Johnson, who is in our chamber today. The office of Chief Justice, which I now hold, is one feature of that unified system. And today is an historic day because this is the first time that a Chief Justice has had the opportunity to address the opening session of the legislature. It is also an historic day for the other branches. Here with me today is the first woman to be a re-elected governor, Kate Brown, the longest-serving president of the Senate, Peter Courtney, and the only person to serve 4 terms as Speaker of the House, Tina Kotek. Yes, Today really is a new day. But our responsibility to work together to establish justice, maintain order, and perpetuate liberty remains. So, in the words of an old Frisian song that I know because I'm part Frisian, let's rise up with strong pulsation and get down to it. Thank you.